High ledges, fire extinguishers, electrical plugs, and other reachable horizontal surfaces are the spots most commonly missed when dusting commercial office spaces. Start by mapping the space and identifying every horizontal surface from floor level up to 8 feet with a focus on areas where a hand will naturally pass. Use a systematic pattern such as left to right, then top to bottom so you never skip a zone, and carry both a microfiber cloth and a dry extendable duster to adapt to tight and high areas. For electrical outlets and plugs, turn off power where possible, then use a dry microfiber or a soft brush to remove dust without introducing moisture that can cause corrosion or short circuits. For fire extinguishers and other safety equipment, wipe the entire cylinder, bracket, and the wall behind it and log the action, so safety checks include cleanliness as well as functionality. Pay attention to ledges above cabinets, the tops of tall partitions, light diffusers, and the undersides of shelves, because they collect airborne dust and are easy to overlook. Inspect vents and return grilles visually, and use a vacuum with a brush attachment when dust is dry and loose to prevent redistribution. Establish a recurring inspection checklist and train staff to perform a quick sweep of these identified zones at the end of each shift to prevent buildup between deep cleans. One common mistake is only cleaning at eye level, which misses tops of cabinets and ledges. Fix this by using an extendable duster and a documented top-to-bottom route, so nothing above shoulder height is ignored. A second issue is using damp cloths on electrical components, which risks damage and safety hazards. Solve that by keeping dry microfiber or soft brushes for those areas and powering down circuits when a deeper clean is required. A third problem is assuming vents and light fixtures are handled during regular cleaning when they are not. Resolve this by adding vents and fixtures to the formal checklist and scheduling periodic vacuuming or professional cleaning as needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like commercial cleaning, planning, and maintenance, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and local availability. We also host an active discussion community where our members share tips on routine checklists, tools, and time-saving techniques so everyone can keep spaces cleaner and safer.